What's the difference between a class and an object? This question trips up so many developers in interviews because they sound similar but represent fundamentally different concepts. A class is a blueprint or template that defines the structure and behavior of something. Think of it as a cookie cutter. It specifies what properties an entity will have and what methods it can perform. For example, a dog class might define properties like name and age and methods like bark and run. But the class itself isn't a real dog, it's just the definition. An object is a concrete instance created from that class. When you write new dog, you're using the blueprint to create an actual object in memory. This object has real values, maybe a dog named Max who's 3 years old. The object is the living, breathing entity that exists at runtime with its own specific data stored in memory. Here's the key insight. You can create multiple objects from a single class. One dog class can generate Max, Bella, and Charlie each with their own unique name and age. They all share the same structure defined by the class, but each object maintains its own independent state. Change Max's age, and Bella's age stays the same. Think of a house blueprint versus actual houses. The blueprint shows room layouts and dimensions, but you can't live in it. From that one blueprint, a builder can construct dozens of houses. Each house follows the same design, but each has different owners, furniture, and paint colors. Class equals blueprint. Object equals the actual house. Remember, a class is the reusable template that defines structure and behavior, while objects are the individual instances you create from it, each holding their own unique data. Master this distinction, and you'll ace every OOP interview question. Practice more at Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.